This is Geekazine's coverage of VMworld 2012. Continuing coverage of VMworld, we're at the VMWare booth, and we're here with Kevin, and we're talking about something that you're actually rolling out. It's called Horizon, right?
Yeah, it's the Horizon suite. So it's a new suite that we just announced this week. It'll be going into beta in the end of Q4. And we can talk about, kind of the features that it covers. It basically is your place to manage your devices, your users, and your groups.
Okay, so it's kind of like an Active Directory in the VMware's
It integrates
sphere.
with Active Directory and allows you to provision users into applications, and also allows them to provision them to the files that they can manage and have anywhere access to those, similar to like Dropbox.
Okay. So how does it work?
Sweet. So the first thing you do when you install it is you get a vApp. You go into Vcenter, into vSphere, deploy it, and it sets up a number of VMs. The first VM connects out to Active Directory and brings in all your users and groups. Okay. Once you have that, you can decide what features and what functionality you want to deploy to each user. So things like entitling SaaS applications, which allows you to have single sign-on into Salesforce, Google Mail, any kind of SaaS application that's out there today, we can single sign-on into that. Okay. The next thing is you can provision and entitle users to data, which is the Horizon data, and I have we can show a little picture of that here in the back. I'll switch to that. It's basically similar to Dropbox, right? So all of your files sync to your Mac, your PC, your mobile devices, anywhere, anytime access, cached on the endpoints, and continue to stay in sync with the server and backed up.
And you can give that permission to other people pretty easily?
Exactly. So you can share files. You can use that for your own files, the things you're working on. You can also use it to share files with other users in your group or even external contractors. And again, IT gets full control over that, so they have policies to allow who you can and can't share with, and how much, quotas and things of that nature.
Yeah, so full containers and everything like that.
Exactly.
So you said it's rolling out on Q4, and is there going to be additional what's the pricing plan on this?
Yeah, so we haven't discussed exactly what the packaging and pricing is, but once we get out the beta and get some feedback from customers, we'll decide what that is and reveal that at that time.
Where do people go to find out like a white paper or something like that over at VMware?
Yep, so VMware.com, you can go, and there's information on Horizon, and then also under the previous name, there's some videos out there on Project Octopus, which was the previous name of the code word before we became Horizon Data.
Wait a minute, it didn't stay Octopus? That would have been a really cool product.
Yeah. Octopus is a really cool code name, and we liked it, but we decided to change it to Horizon Data to fit with the rest of the suite.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you very much, awesome. Kevin, for your time.
Appreciate your time.
If you're looking for a solution, if you're into VMware, you got Horizon right here coming up Q4. We got a lot of great stuff, and we got it over at VMworld 2012. This is Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine. Stick around, we got a lot more video.